What if your kitchen could work smarter without a full remodel? In this video, we're uncovering 20 essential kitchen accessories on Amazon worth buying that turn everyday cooking into a next-level experience. From clever space savers to futuristic tools that upgrade how you prep, cook, and clean, these finds are all about real value and real results. Stick around till the end, because a few of these upgrades might completely change how you use your kitchen. Number 1. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. Make breakfast effortless with the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. Whether you prefer soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, it cooks them perfectly every time. Compact and easy to clean, it saves you time and hassle. Ideal for busy mornings, meal prep, or small households, this gadget delivers consistent results without stress. Lightweight and simple to use, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs every morning. Number 2. Cuisinart Butter. Wheels spread joy with the Cuisinart Butter Wheel. This handy tool makes slicing, softening, and serving butter effortless while keeping your hands clean. Perfect for cooking, baking, or breakfast tables. It's compact, durable, and easy to store. Designed for convenience, it ensures smooth, even butter every time. Ideal for home chefs, families, or anyone who loves effortless kitchen solutions. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and upgrade your cooking experience instantly. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Pasta Fork Twirl, Lift, and serve pasta effortlessly with the Zulay Kitchen Pasta Fork. Its ergonomic design and durable materials make scooping spaghetti or fettuccine quick and mess-free. Heat-resistant and easy to clean, it's perfect for daily meals or special dinners. Lightweight yet sturdy, it simplifies pasta nights and enhances your cooking efficiency. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy stress-free, professional-style pasta servings at home anytime. Then, Number 4. LIVSGNISTA Vegetable Slicer Chop. Slice and dice like a pro with the LIVSGNISTA Vegetable Slicer. The multi-blade design provides uniform cuts while saving time and effort. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, or meal prep. It handles all vegetables efficiently. Durable and easy to clean, it keeps your kitchen organized while reducing frustration. It's ideal for busy households or cooking enthusiasts. It's a must-have accessory. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and prep vegetables with precision instantly. Number 5. Geedel Mandoline Slicer. Slice like a professional with the Geedel Mandoline Slicer. Adjustable blades allow for perfect thickness every time. From thin garnishes to hearty slices, safe design keeps your hands protected while speeding up meal prep. Ideal for salads, chips, or side dishes, it saves time without sacrificing precision. Durable, compact, and easy to clean, it's perfect for home chefs who want efficiency. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and elevate your slicing game instantly. Number 6. KLYRO Wooden Spoon Set. Cook with style using the KLYRO Wooden Spoon Set. Made from premium wood, these spoons are durable, heat-resistant, and gentle on cookware. Perfect for stirring, sautéing, or serving, they enhance kitchen efficiency while adding charm to your cooking routine. Lightweight, comfortable, and easy to clean, they're ideal for everyday use or gifting. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy cooking with durable, versatile tools that last for years. Number 7. Cuisinart Food Processor. Make meal prep effortless with the Cuisinart Food Processor. Chop, slice, shred, and puree in seconds with precision blades and a powerful motor. Perfect for sauces, dough, or quick meal prep, it saves time while reducing kitchen stress. Compact yet versatile, it fits easily on any countertop. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, so making it a smart buy for any home chef. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and simplify every kitchen task instantly. Number 8. Ninja Professional Blender Blend. Smoothies, soups, and sauces perfectly with the Ninja Professional Blender. Powerful motor and sharp blades ensure smooth, consistent results every time. Ideal for healthy drinks, meal prep, or family meals. It saves time and effort. Large capacity and durable design make it perfect for daily use. Easy to clean and stylish, it enhances your kitchen experience instantly. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and elevate your blending game today. Number 9. Soft Grip Manual Can Opener. Open cans effortlessly with the Soft Grip Manual Can Opener. Ergonomic handles reduce hand strain while sharp blades cut smoothly every time. Perfect for daily cooking, camping, or emergency use, it's lightweight, durable, and easy to store. Non-slip design ensures safety and comfort during use. Ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, hassle-free can opener. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy stress-free, precise can opening instantly. Number 10. Tasty Mini Sandwich Maker. Make delicious sandwiches quickly with the Tasty Mini Sandwich Maker. Compact, fast, and easy to use. use. It grills perfectly golden sandwiches every time. Non-stick plates ensure effortless cleanup while their small size saves counter space. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or kids' meals. Delivers convenience without sacrificing taste. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy hot, perfectly toasted sandwiches anytime with zero hassle. Number 11. Hamilton Beach Trio Coffee Maker. Start every morning effortlessly with the Hamilton Beach Trio Coffee Maker. Brew single cups, full carafes, or travel mugs with ease, delivering rich, flavorful coffee every time. Compact and programmable, it fits any kitchen while saving time. Durable and user-friendly, it's perfect for busy households or coffee lovers. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy hot, fresh coffee every day without the wait or mess. Number 12. Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer and Stopper. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer and Stopper. Durable design catches debris while allowing water to flow smoothly. Perfect for kitchens, laundry areas, or bars, it prevents costly plumbing issues. Easy to clean and reusable, it's an essential tool for maintaining a hygienic, functional sink. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and protect your pipes while keeping your kitchen spotless effortlessly. Number 13. Amuzhi Adjustable Rolling Pin. Bake like a pro with the Amuzhi Adjustable Rolling Pin. Precise thickness guides ensure even dough every time. Perfect for cookies, pies, or pastries. Comfortable handles provide a smooth rolling experience while reducing fatigue. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it's a kitchen essential for bakers of all levels. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy perfectly rolled dough for every recipe without any guesswork. Number 14. Xylus Silicone Basting Brush. Elevate cooking with the Xylus Silicone Basting Brush. Heat-resistant, flexible bristles ensure even sauce, oil, or marinade application every time. Comfortable handle makes brushing effortless while cleaning is simple and quick. Perfect for grilling, baking, or roasting. It prevents mess and enhances flavor. Lightweight yet durable, it's a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and take your cooking to the next level instantly. And number 15. Farberware Measuring Cups. Set measure ingredients accurately with the Farberware Measuring Cup Set. Durable construction ensures precision for baking, cooking, and portion control. Stackable design saves storage space while easy-to-read markings make every recipe simple. Perfect for home chefs, students, or baking enthusiasts, it streamlines kitchen prep. Dishwasher safe and long-lasting, it's an essential tool for consistent results. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and achieve precise, professional quality measurements every time. Number 16. Juiciness Cherry. Pitter pit cherries effortlessly with the Juiciness Cherry Pitter. Ergonomic design and strong construction make removing pits fast, safe, and mess-free. Ideal for pies, jams, or snacking. It saves time while maintaining fruit integrity. Compact and easy to clean, it fits perfectly in any kitchen drawer. Perfect for bakers and fruit lovers, it's a time-saving essential. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and make cherry prep a breeze every season. Number 17. Alpha Griller's Garlic Press Crush. Garlic easily with the Alpha Griller's Garlic Press. Ergonomic handles reduce hand strain while durable construction ensures consistent results. Perfect for cooking, marinades, or seasoning. It saves time and enhances flavor. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's an essential kitchen gadget for everyday use. Compact, reliable, and efficient, it elevates meal prep instantly. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy perfectly minced garlic in seconds every time. Number 18. Sopito Silicone Baking Mats. Bake smarter with Sopito Silicone baking mats. Non-stick, reusable mats prevent sticking, reduce cleanup, and ensure even baking every time. Perfect for cookies, pastries, or roasting vegetables, they replace parchment or foil while saving money. Heat-resistant and easy to clean, they enhance baking efficiency and durability. Ideal for bakers of all skill levels, they transform your kitchen experience. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and bake perfectly every time without the mess. Number 19. Wooden Cutting Board Set. Upgrade your prep space with the Wooden Cutting Board Set. Durable, eco-friendly boards protect knives while providing versatile surfaces for chopping, slicing, and serving. Non-slip design ensures safety, while elegant wood adds style to your kitchen. Perfect for home chefs, families, or meal prep enthusiasts, it combines practicality and aesthetics effortlessly. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and make chopping, prepping, and serving easier and more enjoyable. Number 20. Pre-cut parchment. Paper sheets simplify. Baking with pre-cut parchment paper sheets. Perfectly sized for trays, pans, or cookie sheets, they prevent sticking and reduce cleanup time. Heat-resistant, disposable, and convenient, they're ideal for home baking, meal prep, or snacks. No cutting required. Just grab and use for hassle-free baking every time. Click the link in the description now to grab yours and enjoy perfect mess-free baking without the stress or extra prep. Upgrade your kitchen effortlessly with these essential gadgets designed to save time, enhance cooking, and make every meal easier. Don't wait. Click the links in the description now to grab your favorites and transform your cooking experience today.